Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we're not gonna make car repair videos. I've been away for almost 2 weeks now on my garage because I had a medical issue, but it's not that bad though. I'm just resting myself, and hopefully in a couple of days I'll be back on my garage. So for now, I want just to make a quick video of why a lot of people right now making YouTube videos, especially car repair videos, and I want to show you the reason why a lot of today's, every time you open your YouTube, you can see a lot of YouTuber doing these car repair videos, and because of this, as you can see in here, see that thing right there, $604, and I'm gonna explain that to you guys, but for the meantime, I'm just gonna show you my YouTube channel. So it's the Asian Mechanic Guy, and as you can see in here, in 48 hours I got 3,700 viewers. So imagine how very little views it is, and you can earn this kind of money. This is monthly estimate, and we still had 2-3 days more, or 1 day more, because it's already the 29th. So as you can see in here, so this is 28 days. I'm getting around max of 88,000 viewers. So imagine that. I am a very small time YouTuber, so imagine how much more those big automotive channel like Scott Kilmer, South Main Auto, Eric the Car Guy, imagine that. They have like almost 500,000 a day of viewers, and I got only like 3,000, almost 4,000 views in 2 days, almost 48 hours, and I already getting $600. Imagine if you had like 500,000 views in 48 hours. They're getting so much money. And I'm gonna show you also, I'll go to my revenue. Actually, I'm just being honest, I'm not flexing anything. I'm just gonna show you, because anyway, I'm just a small YouTuber. So I just want to give you a hint of why a lot of people right now are doing this. So on November, I'm gonna get 604. How about last October? I did get 715. How about on August, 714, 712, June 750. So it's everything is almost around 700. So again, this is just a quick video of why people are making videos in YouTube, especially automotive, because of this money. So again, I hope I give you inspiration of to those people planning to make planning to do a YouTube YouTube channel. So here you go, guys. This is how much I'm getting. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching my videos, and if you had any question in this video, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.